Now this is the 3 train going downtown.
Step aside and let the passengers off the train first.
It's going to New Lots.
Step aside and let the passengers off the train.
Oh, I'm sorry, ma'am. Step aside. We'll let these passengers out. At stations next on the express track and this local too. After this, I'm going to be going on the Uptown platform, and I'm going to be taking videos there too. All I gotta do is wait for this train to leave, which is about to leave right now. Can you close the doors, please?
There is downtown 1, train 2, South Ferry, approaching the station. Please stand away from the platform edge.
All right. I'm about to go on the Uptown platform as well.